Okay, I can now make a survey probe launcher because I'm making copper. I'm going to make one, and I'm going to make half a dozen survey probes, maybe a bit more. So you use one survey probe for every survey you make. You use the same survey probe launcher. So the whole of Hagga Basin, each area requires one survey probe. So you don't need to go mad. You only need to make a few of these because it's not a huge area and you can always make more of them. But they are essential. So we're going to make some of these. And I'm going to go and find somewhere where I can do my survey. You need to fire it from a high enough area. And this is relative to the height of the particular location you're in. So I'm in South Hagga, which is pretty low rise generally. So I should find if I get up to the top of this piece of rock here, you can see nothing is particularly high. I should be able to fire it off from the top of this. Now I can get up here by a combination of jumping and climbing. That will get me up reasonably fast. You can use the jump up and then stop off on any ledges to get your stamina back and then go again. Because you don't want to run out of stamina and fall off. That's annoying. Climbing at this stage in the game when you don't have any particular stamina skills and your skill tree is kind of a slow process. So I just need to get to the top here. That's good. And now I can select the survey probe. I'll pop it in there instead of my binoculars. It will load automatically. As you see, I am high enough, so now you've got to wait 24 seconds while it does the survey. Now you can actually see this, other players can see this happening, which is quite cool. So it's not just you that's seeing the blue lines going across, it's anybody else who's in the local area. It doesn't attract enemies, fortunately. I'm going to heal myself a bit while I'm waiting for that to finish. And now we've got the survey probe. You can see it's cleared and shows the whole of the Hagga Basin South area, including a quest location, which I picked up from the Griffin trade post over here. That is with the Swordmaster quest. So this is why the survey probes are really, really useful. That was my starting point. That's the only place I put a respawn beacon. There's my home base. And these are the various locations I have not explored. They're grayed out, but all of which have got intel you can pick up.